Hello, my name is Simon, and in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to get a it's absolutely free, ebook on how to make money with your own website. So type in make money from home lionclub.com. It's a pretty long name for me. I usually don't type in that much in one URL. So the ebook is right here. I would recommend subscribing with these other people if you're serious about making your own website. The entire ebook is right here. There's some coupons down here, and there's like a video form of his ebook, and he has some video courses down here. So I love this book, so if you agree with me or anything like that, comment down below. I will be making more videos, and please, again, comment down below or whatever you want those videos to be about. So thanks for watching. Bye.